Kitchen safety matters more than what you think. Are you making these shocking kitchen renovation mistakes? Bro, have you heard of the kitchen work triangle before?
I only heard of relationship love triangle lah.
The kitchen work triangle is like the secret recipe for a perfectly planned kitchen.
So what does it have to do with kitchen work triangle?
This triangle can help eliminate unnecessary steps in your kitchen as it can be used in most of the kitchen layout.
Like how?
Okay, basically you must understand your kitchen habit and arrange the appliances accordingly, such as stove, hobs, and sink.
Oh, it's like creating a masterpiece.
Yes, you can also request for dedicated drawers designed to hold your condiments and utensils.
I've seen houses with dedicated drawers. Wow, they are the perfect fit.
Okay, so when it comes to crafting your dream kitchen, our interior design experts step in to make it uniquely yours. They optimize every inch of your space, ensuring it feels like home sweet home.
Like what you say, Renopedia offers 5 to 8 interior design firms to homeowners that is looking to renovate their dream home. The best thing is if homeowners sign up and renovate with Renopedia, they also stand a chance to win up to $50,000.
But always remember to select materials and fixtures that are easy to maintain for your home. This can simplify your life a lot.
From your POV, what are those easy to maintain kind of materials that you would recommend?
From my opinion, try going for materials such as quartz, sinter stone, and stainless steel. Avoid material that is porous because these tend to get dirt stuck in the grooves, making it very hard to clean one.
What do you mean by porous?
Porous means that the material have tiny grooves that allow liquid, air, or even bacteria to penetrate its surface, and it can lead to discolorization or staining of the countertop.
Which materials are like porous?
Material made from natural stone.
Wow, it could be safety hazard if the bacteria inside the grooves are contaminated the food.
That is why kitchen safety should never be neglected. Ensure that your cooking, cleaning, and food preparation are well lit. You can opt for LED stripes or under cabinet lighting to prevent accident.
And don't forget about your electrical appliances also. Must keep them away. Always make sure they are very safe.
Make a list of appliances that will be on top of your countertop. When choosing floor tiles, also remember to consider slip-resistant flooring for safety purposes.
Yeah, true. I'm sure everyone wants a safe kitchen, so that they can eat together, prepare food together for their loved one.
When it comes to kitchen, never neglect the safety. Safety comes first. So I hope you all learn a lot from this episode. So I see you all at the next episode.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.